Hi everybody, I'm Kirsten Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video we have some new stuff and we're going to create a little bow with them. They're like metallic pieces that you put on your nail. They're a bit gorgeous, so let's get cracking. So we're going to create a full black nail because I think the gold will look really gorgeous and classy on a black nail. I'm going to sculpt this out. We're going to do a pointy almond. It won't be quite a stiletto. It's definitely a little bit more pointy than an average almond. Because this is a square smile line, I'm going to put the tab like that. We do have a separate video for this technique. I'll just fit under there. A lot easier than the sort of smile line that's cut out in the sculpting form. So we're going to prep with the dehydrator. And the primer. So I've picked up quite a big bead, got a big brush, tipping the finger down. I want to get as much of this nail done with this one bead. I'm going to one bead over this with clear to add strength. Oh, I think I've gone a little bit big with that humongous bead. This is going to be all the strength. Just going to pinch this nail now. Yeah. So we're just going to slide off this sculpting form because JJ's fingers have gone really sweaty Betty.
Oh my god, I told you it was burning. I did say.
Did it get a bit warm?
Yeah, you're making me a lot on bother though.
Right. Normal filing
it's
routine.
I've got cream on.
It is because you got cream on for your pooly hands.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. You've not got thyroid problems, have you?
What is a thyroid problem?
No, I don't know what thyroid is.
So what I've done is I've rubbed over with acetone to make sure it's nice and smooth, and then I've gone over with the gel residue wipe-off solution. And because I've continued to rub quite a bit with the acetone, it has really smoothed the nail down and it is matte. So I'm happy with how matte it is. So I don't need to buff over it or anything like that. What we're going to do now is use Mega Gloss. So we just want to take a bit out onto some backing paper. Gonna take a detail brush with a bit of length. Goes with that bit of length. And
we're going to draw clear on black.
Yeah, just like you like. So these are just like as if they're little wrinkles in the kind of fabric, because we're going to do a bow. in the middle. Pop that in the nail. Pop that in the nail. Pop that in the lamp. I'm just going to go over it again just to make that even more raised. Right, pop that in. So there's no sticky layer on that. It looks pretty cool because it's matte on shiny.
Shiny on that.
Shiny on matte, matte on there. Oh yes, of course it is. It's shiny on matte. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use Mega Gloss to adhere you can do this. Some metal pieces. To place it into the Mega Gloss. That's the top part of the bow, and then we're going to do two little tails here with these tiny, tiny, tiny. They're like I bet they're as small as a grain of rice. Pop me that in the lamp. So they are rock solid on there now. What I'm going to do is finish with a bit of cuticle oil because it's a really cool, simple design. Just going to make sure I haven't got any on the matte nail. Nail. Little bow. That's so cute.
If I saw someone with them, I'd be like, oh my god, let me look at your nails.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you?
Yeah. They're beautiful.
You'd be like, oh my god.
There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products that I've used today will be listed below as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Stop it. Did you teach him that?
Oh, yes. I normally say Mammy smells of poo.
Yeah.
And he won't say it in front of her, you know.